computer setup with virtual DJ. We have a mixer, 16 channel mix. We have the body pack for the Fifine K037, and this is a cord that you would need to make this a wireless speaker system, and it has a mini XLR cable to a 1/4 inch jack. And that'll all be in the description. We have the receivers in the speakers itself with the antennas up, and I'll take you over there right now. But here's the body packs. These are the speakers, and this is the receiver for the Fifine K037, as you can see, with the little antenna up. And now we're going to listen to just so you know, we're going to listen to this in a second, but just so you know, I have a Behringer U-Control UCA 222, and that is RCA jacks plugged into the mixer and the mic mixers. Or you can, if you have a 1/4 inch to RCA, that would work just as well. I have both the right and the left turned all the way, panned them all boats, but the actual body pack, those plug into my mix out on both sides. One's right, one's left. They are different frequencies, as you could see. So without further ado, let's check them out.